What's shaking in open source? Welcome to GithubTrends. Today, 5 red-hot projects developers can't stop talking about. Let's dive in. What do 97,000 developers know that you don't? Ant Design delivers a complete enterprise UI system with over 60 production-ready React components. From tables and forms to modals and date pickers, everything is styled consistently and fully accessible out of the box. Built-in TypeScript with powerful CSS, in.js theming, and internationalization for dozens of languages. It's the go-to choice for building polished professional applications fast. Star the repo and start building beautiful apps at github.com. Ant Design. What powers millions of Node.js applications? Meet Express. With nearly 69,000 stars on GitHub, Express is the minimalist web framework that gets out of your way. Set up a server in 4 lines of code. Build APIs, single-page apps, or full websites with robust routing and zero opinions forced on you. Choose any template engine, any database, any architecture you want. Star the repo that launched a million backends at github.com expressjs Express. What do React, Jest, and Babel all have in common? They all use Docusaurus for their docs. Built by Facebook, Docusaurus is a React-powered framework that turns your markdown files into beautiful documentation sites in minutes. Just run one command and you get a full site with version docs, built-in blog support, and I18N localization out of the box. No more wrestling with static site generators or stitching together plugins. Write docs, ship sites, done. Star the repo at github.com, Facebook Docusaurus. What if you could build an entire website in milliseconds? Meet Hugo. This lightning-fast static site generator builds thousands of pages in seconds, not minutes. Built in Go, it's a single binary with 0 dependencies. Blog, portfolio, documentation. Hugo handles it all with blazing speed and simple markdown content. Star Hugo at github.com as gohugoio and build faster today. What powers Netflix, Airbnb, and Facebook? Meet React, the library behind 10 million websites. React's component model lets you build once and reuse everywhere. Write a button component, drop it into your web app, your mobile app, even server-side renders. The declarative approach means you describe what you want, not how to build it. When data changes, React efficiently updates only what needs updating. With nearly 250,000 stars, this is the industry standard for modern interfaces. Star React at github.com Facebook React. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and catch you next week.